What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be painting a galaxy. I know you see orange and you're like, that's strange, but we'll get into it. Titanium white, we have a violet, this violet that I mixed with a little titanium white and lightened it up, desaturated it, cerulean blue, normal violet, and then we have the fluorescent orange. The fluorescent orange was just hopefully going to be accents, and I don't even know if they'll show. I'm hoping. But we're going to start layering this cup. Now, all these colors are mixed, 2 parts floetrol to 1 part paint. Or not floetrol, sorry, pouring medium. The Artist Loft pouring medium to 1 part paint. And there's 1 drop of the OGX coconut milk hair serum in the colors. We're going to use white sparingly because, the vast expanse of space is pretty dark. We're just going to have little pops of white here and there. That was like not even a real amount. All right, so now this is the experiment. I don't know if it'll work, but I'm hoping it will. I'm just going to drip orange throughout. And that might even be all the orange I use. Nah, it can't be all the orange you use. You're gonna have to use more. All right, but before we get to the top, just a little bit of orange. There we go, that's all. We're gonna add a little pop of white, another small one. And then I might churn and push that white through with that violet. The same thing with the little tiny, well, it's not even a thick enough stream to really get any pushing through the paint to happen. Oh no, I'm excited, you guys. We're almost there. We're gonna see how much of a galaxy this looks like, and I'm hoping it does look like a galaxy. There's a chance it won't, but we're not going to think that way. All right, a little bit of white, boom. And that's it. Now, I don't know if popping the bubbles right now will help, but let me get rid of the bubbles that are on top, so maybe that'll reduce the amount of bubbles. I know I'm going to still flip it and splat it, but we'll see. See what we can see. Just the little bit that's spilled out, there's a little cells going on. So the orange is ish right there. So if I tilt it this way, I should be able to bring some of that orange to the surface. There's a little wave of it. That's cool. There is a lot of bubbles. A lot of that happens from churning the paints too. Letting them churn will do that. All right, so I did not mention the base coat, but it's that same light violet color. So let me just stretch this paint around. It is turning into a beautiful summer here in Phoenix. So happy. We have 5 new foster babies. They're so cute. Got to see them be born for the first time. That was the first time I've ever seen them born, and it was a really cool experience. All right, so we got just about everything we need. I should have did this too. No reason why I didn't, but I just didn't. All right, so now I'm gonna take my little torch, which is somewhere. I might have knocked it on the floor. You know what? Oh well, we'll use this one. Turn it down a little. Alright. These cells growing and doing some craziness. And before they finish, I'm going to stretch. Before they finish fully expanding, I want to get my stretch in so that all the cells will still grow, but it'll be all irregularly shaped. That is a really cool looking galaxy to me. Looks like a black hole and everything's like going into that. That's so cool. All right, well, I'm gonna bring you guys down and we're gonna check it out. This one did like almost like a bloom. Just lightning bolts going throughout. But still, it does also look a lot like a galaxy. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.